Every job needs someone like Ross Thomas. The guy you can depend on, no matter what. He was born to get the job done right. Whatever's needed, he'll do it. And do it right. And when it's a two-man job, he's always one of them. But what does Ross depend on? Easy. STANLEY FATMAX V20 power tools. That's because with improved battery technology, his V20 battery packs have no memory effect and minimal self-discharge, so they're ready wherever and whenever he needs them. The tools themselves are hard to beat too. Designed and built to withstand whatever gets thrown at them. It means he can depend on his V20 power tools as much as everyone depends on him, because he's Ross Thomas, and he knows that dependability matters.